And the pages all fall. This is going to take a while because this is aggravating. Very aggravating. Because I knocked over my calendar yesterday and now I have to put all these papers back. I am sorry for the long intro because I am trying to record this as fast as possible and hopefully not shake the table and cause it to fall. You can see I am aggravated because I have a limited amount of time. I should have recorded this yesterday, but Bus Pass was expiring and I wanted to use it before it expired because then, if I didn't, I would have had to take regular bus fare and that pass would expire earlier next Thursday. And since next Thursday is my day off and I'm trying to milk that time, it wasn't going to work. Alright. Okay, you go back in there. You go all the way like that. There! There! Now can we focus on today's calendar? Well, yesterday's calendar was terrible. Today's calendar is going to be good. No cutting. Okay. So first thing we have to do is mount food. And once again, I want to try to not put this on the table. Every time I put something on the table and fold, the camera starts to wobble and shake. So yeah, that's mount food. I wish I had a video tutorial instead of a paper tutorial. There's so much paper being used here. Alright, so now we just fold inward like so. Which is really just easier, just fold inside, and there we go. It's a little bit loud, but now next step. What does next step say? As soon as I fix this crease that is bothering me. So here we go. That's what it looks like. Now, trying to pick this up. It's fold both top corners inward. So there we go. Like this. So, she's gonna call within the next few minutes. Oh wow, and then the next one is full, both front flaps diagonally and half outward. So where the black lines meet, like so. So, and the next thing we have to do is fold the top down. I folded it too far, dang it. Says it lined up right. It doesn't help that the try I'll fold it. Try to fix that. Alright, there we go. Alright, and then have to fold both top corners downward again. Like so. And it's kind of thick, so you have to carefully fold it down. Alright, camera is shaking. Alright, let's make sure it doesn't freaking pop out. Next step is to tuck the layers marked with dotted lines underneath the flaps marked with circles. Huh? What am I doing? What? Tuck the layers marked with dotted lines underneath the flaps marked with circles. You're doing something like that, I guess. It's a weird fold, but okay. It feels like it's not going to work, but it shall, because I don't want to deal with any more folding. Okay, this is awkward as ever. Very awkward. Something like this, I guess. Make the way increases and show to match the right profile. And even though the fold is backwards as usual, creases are supposed to. Oh yeah, this is a thick fold. I'm about to hurt myself. I'm about to hurt myself with this fold, guys. You won't see me for a couple of days. Thankfully, weekend one is 2 days. And I guess this monstrosity is it. I know it's backwards, but bear with me. It's an awkward fold. Can it fly? Kind of. Alright, today's video didn't end in disaster. Yay! Alright, tomorrow will be another fold. Once a day, every day. Thank you for watching.